Within every cell, a silent language is spoken, the language of life. This language is ancient, yet it continues to shape every living thing on Earth, from the smallest microbe to the complexity of the human body. It's written in an alphabet of just 4 letters, A, T, C, and G. These letters are the foundation of a code that has been passed down for billions of years. These chemical bases form our DNA, the blueprint of our being. DNA is the instruction manual for life, containing all the information needed to build and maintain an organism. Grouped into 3-letter words called codons, they create the instructions for life. Each codon is like a unique word in this molecular language. There are 64 codons, each directing the cell's machinery. These codons act as signals, guiding the assembly of proteins with remarkable precision. Most codons code for one of 20 amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. These amino acids are strung together in countless combinations to create the diversity of proteins found in all life. These proteins shape every part of you, your hair, eyes, heart, and more. They determine your physical traits, your health, and even how your body responds to the world. Codons are the architects, amino acids the bricks. Together, they build the intricate structures that make up your body and keep it functioning. This process unfolds billions of times a second, a dance of creation within you. Every moment, your cells are reading and translating this code, keeping you alive. Some codons are different. They're stop codons. These special codons play a crucial role in ending the protein-making process at just the right moment. Stop codons signal the end of a protein sequence, like a full stop in a sentence. Without them, the message would run on endlessly, causing chaos in the cell. In the gene keys, stop codons are seen as portals, gateways to higher awareness. They invite us to pause, reflect, and open to new possibilities. They represent the sacred pauses between the notes of life's song. In these moments of stillness, deeper understanding can arise. In these pauses, transformation is possible. Just as a caterpillar becomes a butterfly, your DNA holds the potential for change. Your genetic code is a living library, passed down through generations. Each chapter tells a story of survival, adaptation, and evolution. It's not a fixed destiny, but a dynamic river of information. This river can be influenced, redirected, and even rewritten. Your DNA responds to your thoughts, feelings, and choices. The way you live, think, and feel can subtly influence how your genes are expressed. You're in constant dialogue with your DNA. This conversation is ongoing, shaping your health and your future. By learning its language, you can begin to rewrite your own story. Understanding codons is the first step in unlocking your genetic potential. The code is alive, evolving with your consciousness. As you grow and change, so too does the expression of your DNA. Every moment you participate in the unfolding of your own genetic symphony. Each choice you make adds a new note to the music of your life. The journey begins with understanding these codons, the words of life itself. By exploring this language, you open the door to a deeper connection with your own biology and the story it tells. The 64 codons are not isolated. They are like notes in a grand symphony, each one playing a vital part in the music of life. They form interconnected families called Codon Rings, intricate networks that shape the very essence of our being. There are 21 codon rings, each a cluster of chemically related codons, working together in harmony within our genetic code. Each ring resonates with a universal theme of human experience, echoing through every culture and generation. Imagine them as constellations in your inner DNA cosmos, each telling a story of what it means to be human, illuminating the mysteries within us all. Codon rings are the architecture of our shared humanity, connecting us all in invisible yet powerful ways. When you contemplate a gene key, you activate its codon ring, tapping into a collective stream of consciousness that links you to others across time and space. Each ring holds a shadow, a gift, and a city, a journey from suffering to genius to grace, reflecting the full spectrum of human potential. These rings are evolutionary pathways, guiding us from separation to unity, from confusion to clarity. Understanding codon rings lifts us beyond personal drama, connecting us to the epic of human evolution and the unfolding story of our species. Our struggles are part of a collective healing process, a shared journey toward wholeness and compassion. As you raise your own frequency, you create a ripple effect through the codon rings, sending waves of transformation throughout humanity. This vibration touches the hearts and minds of all beings, inspiring connection and awakening. True service is the inner work of transforming your shadows into light and offering that light to the world around you. The Codon Rings show us that our personal growth is woven into the fabric of humanity, each thread strengthening the whole. Every step you take uplifts the whole, every act of courage or kindness ripples outward. We are all linked by these luminous threads, bound together in a tapestry of shared destiny. The Codon Rings are the map of our shared journey, guiding us toward a future of unity and understanding. Through them, we discover our unity, and remember that we are never truly alone on this path. Humanity stands at the threshold of the great change, a leap in our evolution unlike anything we've ever experienced before. This profound shift is happening deep within us, not just in our minds or hearts, but even in the very fabric of our DNA. Our genetic code is subtly mutating, becoming more attuned to higher consciousness and new possibilities. The stop codons, once seen as mere punctuation in our genetic story, are awakening to a new and vital purpose. They're becoming transmitters of higher awareness, acting as conduits for new energy and information. This inner rewiring prepares us to embody a consciousness that was once unimaginable, opening doors to new ways of being. As the great change accelerates, old patterns of fear, limitation, and separation begin to dissolve and lose their grip. A new harmony emerges, reflected not only in our relationships, but also in our biology and the way we interact with life. The gene keys begin to operate at higher frequencies, shadows fade, gifts flourish, and our true potential awakens. We experience greater unity, open hearts, and clear minds, feeling more connected to ourselves and each other. This is not a passive process. We are active co-creators of this new reality, shaping it with every thought and action. By engaging with the gene keys, we accelerate this transformation, consciously participating in our own evolution. Every time you embrace a shadow and unlock a gift, you anchor this new frequency more deeply into your life and the world. You become a pioneer of new humanity, lighting the way for others to follow. Each act of contemplation and courage builds the bridge from the old world to the new, step by step. The great change is not just coming, it's happening within you right now. Your participation matters. Together, we are evolving. The future is being written in our DNA, and we are the authors of this new chapter in human evolution. Among the Codon Rings, one stands out, the Ring of Secrets. Formed by a single stop codon and tryptophan, it embodies the dance between spirit and matter. The Ring of Secrets guards the deepest mysteries of existence. Its wisdom can't be grasped by intellect alone, it must be lived. Its secrets reveal themselves to those with humility and an open heart. The journey is about letting go of control and entering the realm of pure being. It's a path of purification, cleansing perception to see reality as it is. The 12th gene key, central to this ring, carries the shadow of vanity, the trap of spiritual ego. The Ring of Secrets shatters this illusion, showing the path is one of surrender and ordinariness. A pure heart is not perfect but authentic, broken open by life, loving unconditionally. It does not judge or compare, it simply loves. The great secret is that true power lies in pure, unconditional love. This love dissolves every shadow. The Ring of Secrets invites you to live from the heart. Here, the ultimate truth is revealed. At the heart of the Ring of Secrets is the 12th gene key, a journey from vanity to purity through the gift of discrimination. Vanity is the ego's need to feel special, keeping us trapped in illusion. The gift of discrimination is the heart's ability to sense what is true and authentic. It guides us to act from our highest purpose, seeing through ego's illusions. As this gift blossoms, it leads to the city of purity. Purity is not perfection but total authenticity, being wholly yourself. In this state, your inner and outer worlds align. You become a vessel for the divine. Every gesture becomes an act of love, every word a transmission of truth. Purity is the end of seeking and the beginning of true living. Life becomes a celebration, the ordinary, extraordinary. This is the liberation at the heart of the 12th gene key. The Ring of Secrets is also called the Ring of Trials, a path of deep initiation. These trials are not punishments, but sacred tests for growth and compassion. Each challenge is a chance to reclaim lost power and integrate it into your being. Trials often appear as difficulties in life, relationships, health, or career. In these moments, the greatest transformation is possible. The Ring of Trials asks you to see challenges as portals to deeper consciousness. Your life is a heroic journey. You are the hero facing dragons and climbing mountains. These struggles connect you to the timeless quest for meaning. Seeing life mythically gives your challenges sacredness and empowers you with courage. The journey strips away what is not you, revealing your pure essence. Each trial strengthens your connection to your true self. The path is arduous, but the destination is inner peace. This is the homecoming your soul seeks. The Ring of Trials is the fire that reveals your gold. The Codon Rings bridge modern science and ancient myth. Science gives us the mechanics, codons, amino acids, the blueprint of life. Myth gives us meaning, archetypes, symbols, and the quest for purpose. The gene keys and codon rings weave these worlds together. Our genetic code becomes a living myth, the 64 gene keys, its chapters. The Ring of Trials is the hero's journey embedded in our biology. This synthesis heals the split between logic and intuition, matter and spirit. We can study our genes and embrace the mystery of our story. This integrated view is essential for our evolution. Here, science and spirit dance in harmony. The journey through the rings of secrets and trials leads to ultimate transformation. This is not incremental, it's a profound shift in consciousness. Suffering is transmuted into the gold of our divinity. The city of purity marks this transformation. Profound authenticity, love, and peace. Inner battles cease, the ego's striving dissolves. You find perfection in imperfection, peace in the ordinary. This peace is unshakable, independent of circumstances. With it comes freedom from fear and a new courage to live and love fully. Each person who embodies this becomes a lighthouse for others. The great change is anchored through individual transformation. It happens quietly, heart by heart. This is how humanity evolves, one soul at a time. We live in extraordinary times. The wisdom of the Codon Rings is re-emerging. This is a map for the conscious evolution of our species. The challenges we face are symptoms of a consciousness ready to evolve. The Codon Rings show that change begins within. It requires courage to face our shadows and transform ourselves. This is the path of the modern mystic, scientific and mythic, biological and divine. Imagine a world where everyone's gifts are celebrated and unity prevails. This is not a dream, but a potential within our DNA. By living the wisdom of the Codon Rings, we help birth a new humanity. Your journey is part of this global tapestry. Every step you take uplifts the whole. Embrace the trials, seek purity, unlock your DNA's secrets. A new dawn is breaking within you.